So you may have noticed, now that you're trying to read nutrition labels, that there's a difference between natural sugar and added sugar. Even though the sugar in this apple juice is natural, not added, it's still processed sugar. So they've taken that apple and they've gotten rid of all the cells. They've gotten rid of all the fiber. So this is just pure sugar juice. The natural sugar in the apple juice is no better than, say, the added sugar in soda. Your body treats them both the same ways. So processed foods, whether they're natural sugar or added sugar, is treated by your body exactly the same. Fruit, of course, has, drumroll please, natural sugar. Now, natural sugar from fruit is different than natural sugar in some processed foods. The natural sugar in the orange and in the apple is wrapped up in the cells within these fruits. And it also has fiber and vitamins and nutrients. Natural sugar in fruit is a little bit different. And the last thing to remember, these things may fill you up a little bit. These things, not so much.